3 movements. Okay. One, you're going to do hammering, which is like this. You have to make sure that your shoulders are straight, they are down, not like this, not like this. You should stand straight. Okay. And then look at yourself in the mirror. Okay. Make sure that your arms are balanced and bring it up, down. Okay. 2, and suspend it. Don't hold it from here, suspend it like a hammer. And keep looking at the dumbbell. Make sure it goes straight up, straight down. Don't swing it, not like this. It should have a very controlled movement. Like, see? Okay? So, you're going to do 10 reps of that. Once you're done with this, when you stand like this, join the tip, not like this, the tip of the dumbbell like this. That it should be angled, not like this, it should be angled. Okay? Make sure that your elbows, they don't move around, like, not like this. Lock everything up and concentrate on the tip. It should be joined. Okay? So then you move it up. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. See? This is going to work your inner bicep. See, can you see the pump? Okay? So, you do 10 reps of that. Once you're done with that, then you hold it like this. Angle it outwards. Move it as far as you can from your body. Like, if you hold it like this, it's okay in the beginning. But if you want to increase the stress on your arm, you move it further like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And once you're done with that, then you bring it forward. Then you angle it like this. And then you keep a hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I showed you 4 movements. Yeah? Now come on and give it a try. Nana, join it like this. Make sure it keeps touching each other, okay? Keep your elbows planted in, shoulders down. Yes, concentrate on this. Concentrate, keep on concentrating. Make sure your elbow doesn't leave your body and the shape stays the same. Concentrate on the shape and the angle. Can you feel a little bit burn on your biceps? Good. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Yes, good. Good. Keep it planted. Keep your elbows planted. Shoulders down. Keep touching them. Good. Bring it down. Down. Keep it angled. Good. Good. That's enough. Okay. Now, hammering. Hold it from this end. Bring it to this end. It should feel suspended. Very controlled movement. Like you're hammering. Just imagine if you're hammering a big nail. Keep your elbows planted in. Okay. Bring it up. It's okay. It's okay. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Yes. Bring it down. Don't bend it. Keep it straight like this. Take it up. Bring it up. Don't bend. Don't bend. Don't break. Yes. Good. Good. Pull it up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Concentrate. 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 Keep them straight. Keep them straight. Keep them straight. Keep them straight. Yes. Good. Bring it down. Shoulders down. Hammer, 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 hammer. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Good, good lad. Yes. That's it. Put it down. Shake your arms like this. Get the blood flowing. Yeah? Did you feel the burn? Good. Okay, pick it up. Grip number 3. Hold it like this on the sides. Turn it around. Turn it around like this. No, other way, like this. Plant your elbows. Oh, Suleiman, come in. So we've got another one here. Okay. All right, okay. So keep it planted. Don't move your elbows. Your elbows should stay at one place. Okay. Pick it up like this. Good. Shoulders down. Take it down. Breathe. Inhale and pick it up. Yes. Keep it out. Keep it outside. Keep it outside. This should be angled like this. Now, pick it up. 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 Good. Go back. Keep yourself angled. Breathe. 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 Pick it up. Elbows planted. Elbows planted. Elbows planted. Okay, that's it. Put it down. Good. Good lad. Oh, ये काफी है. ये I think 20 each side है. कर लोगे? Careful. Getting strong, isn't it? Good. Slow. Keep it slow. Slow. Yes, slow. All right. That was your one set. That was not 4 sets. That was your one set of 4 different exercises. What we are going to do is triceps. There are many ways of addressing this very technical muscle, but we are going to keep it easy. So first what you have to do is इसमें हाथ डालने हैं आपने, okay? Put your hands inside this, okay? And then come close. ये elbow इसके साथ plant करनी है, and look straight and spread it when you go down, and when you bring the weight up, close it. When the weight is coming up, spread your arms. Okay? इस तरह. ये देख रहे हो? ये. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? पहले ये वाला वर्कआउट करो, फिर दूसरा बताता हूँ. Okay. Arms in. मुड़ो, नीचे लाओ. अब एल्बो को लॉक कर लो. इसको मोड़ो. It should face downwards. इसको लॉक करो. Yes. Spread. ऊपर वापस आराम से. Spread. ऊपर वापस आराम से. इसको पीछे लाओ. आगे हो. इधर फिट करो अपनी elbows. Fit your elbows here. Your elbows should not move. Okay. Okay. Bring it down. Elbows should not move. Keep your elbow steady. Bring it up slowly. आराम से, slowly. उसको आहिस्ता रखो. Yes. Breathe out. Okay. Hold your thumbs together. Okay. Now hold them to. ये हाथ की grip बनाओ. साथ दोनों को पकड़ लो. Okay. Now don't spread it. Just do it like this. Don't separate your elbows from your body. Elbow नहीं हिलनी चाहिए. Elbow को steady रखो. वापस लाओ. Elbow steady. Elbow नहीं हिलनी चाहिए. Okay. Now pull it down. Elbow नहीं हिलनी चाहिए. Don't move your elbows. Don't move your elbows. Elbows को steady. Yeah, like this. Good. Breathe. Elbow नहीं हिलनी चाहिए. Elbow steady. कमर सीधी. नीचे लाओ. इसको plant करो. Okay, put it down. We're going to reduce the weight. Weight ज़्यादा है. Okay, अब करो. Elbows lock. ये इधर. The position is this. Like this. Yes. Bring it down. Breathe out. Breathe in. Elbows नहीं हिलनी चाहिए. Elbow steady. कमर straight. कमर straight. Chest out. Stand straight. बिल्कुल. Yes. Exhale. Inhale. Elbow हिल रही है. Elbow हिल रही है. Elbow tight रखो. Elbow नहीं move होनी चाहिए. बस यहाँ तक. और ऊपर नहीं लाना. यहाँ तक जहाँ पे you stop where your natural motion stops. Okay. Bring it down. Bring it up till here. That's it. Take it down all the way. Bring it up. Your elbows shouldn't move. Yes. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Stand straight. Yes. Either feel हो रहा है? Yes. Keep it locked. Arms locked. Elbows locked. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Elbows move over here. Elbows tight, Mohammed. Elbows tight. Bas. Okay, take it down. Now take a breather. Breathe. Move your arms like this. Shake them. Loosen up your bicep and triceps. No, not your forearms. Hold it like this and okay. Now, what you have to do is we're going to use a bar because that is turning out to be a bit of a task, isn't it? So, हाँ? गर्मी लग रही है. ये प्रिजन जिम बना हुआ है ना सही. Okay, now look at this. ये देखो इसको ऐसे पकड़ना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? चलो, hold it. सीधा. Elbows locked. Okay. 1. आराम से. Keep it slow. Keep breathing. $15 of these. Keep your elbows locked. Elbows locked. Now do it. Good. Push it. Okay, that's it. Where was the impact? Under it? Under your arms? Triceps? Exactly. You tie it down.